Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be reading the book Animal Strike at the Zoo. Oh no, it's true. Oh no, I wonder what do you think is going to happen in this book? Our author, the person who wrote the book, is Karma Wilson, and the person who drew all these nice pictures of the animals is Margaret Spingler. Okay, let's get ready to read. Animal Strike at the Zoo. It's true. Look at that tiger. He does not look happy. No more peanuts, says the angry elephant. That's it, says the platypus. We quit, it looks like, says the zoo animal, the giraffe. They all are not happy. There's an animal strike at the zoo. It's true. The headlines are telling it all. Oh, and here's another one. We're through, says the penguins. The animals quit. That's it. We're through, say all of the critters, from biggest to small. Oh no. I wonder why they're mad. We're paid only peanuts. The elephants, zoo animal, elephants shout, and goodness, we are bigger than that. So now they won't trumpet or lumber about. They sit in the shade, looking fat. Oh my goodness. So they want something different. They want something different. They do not want peanuts anymore. The monkeys won't monkey around anymore. You will not see us climbing again, they say. They wallow like big monkey lumps on the floor. We want a nice pool in our pen. Wow, they want something different too, just like the elephants. The leopards, they aren't prowling. The wolf packs aren't howling. And the tigers aren't growling. Oh my goodness. The otters, they are scowling. They are scowling because they are not happy. The worst has come true. There's an animal strike at the zoo. The zebras are looking like horses today. They're doing something different. They do not look like a zebra. Instead, they look like a horse. Oh my goodness. They painted their stripes in, you see. We're all sick and tired of eating this hay. Our good looks do not come for free. Oh man, everybody is feeling so mad at the zoo. So they want something different too. Those silly giraffes are not any better. You won't see our necks anymore. Can you find your neck? Where's it at? Good. They're knitting themselves lots of turtleneck sweaters. Turtleneck sweaters? That looks like it's a sweater that comes all the way up to your face. So it covers up your neck so you cannot see the neck anymore. Which go from our heads to the floor. Ooh, theirs is even bigger. Because it's going to cover them all the way to the floor. So it's going to cover up their legs, I bet. Their legs. Those giraffes, they're like the other animals. They want something different. Business these days is slow as can be. Folks go to the circus instead. Nobody wants to pay money to see the animals lie in bed. Nobody wants. They don't want to see that. That's boring. The lions aren't roaring. The eagles aren't soaring. And the penguins are snoring. It's all rather boring. What can the zookeepers do? There's an animal strike at the zoo. He really is doing the best that he can. The elephants all got a raise. Look. Oops, wrong button. They are reading their contract. That says contract. They're reading it like we are reading this book. And it says, instead of just peanuts, they now get to eat pecans. And look. It says fancy pecans. And he offered them a 6-hour days. So I bet that's shorter than what they were working. The monkeys were given a small kiddie pool, and he's feeding the zebras sweet oats. Let's look at these animals. Do they look like they are happy? And the zebra, he has something different from his mouth. Let's keep reading and find out. Let's read some more. But the monkeys complain. Oh, we were right. They're still not happy. That the water is cool. And the zebras demand root beer floats. Whew. They're still not happy. They still want something different. Then in through the gate walks sweet little Sue. She just can't believe that she's here. She's always wanted to come to the zoo, and she's begged for this trip for a year. Whew, she really does want to go to the zoo, huh? I wonder what you think is going to happen. But no. Birdies are peeping. No. Lizards are creeping. And no. Bunnies are leaping. Then poor Sue, she starts weeping. Look. Do you see the tears coming off her face? I think that she feels sad because I see those tears. Her heart is broken in two. By the animal strike at the zoo. Why do you think that Sue feels sad? Is it because the animals are not doing anything? Because they're on strike? They've stopped doing their work because they're on strike. As tears start to streak down her cute rosy face, the animals watch the wee child. A deep hush of sadness falls over the place. I wonder why it got so quiet. When there's a hush call over the place, that means it got quiet. What do you think's going to happen next? And then they go totally wild. Look, the lion's roaring, and the tiger's growling, and the rabbit's hopping, and the birds are flying, with roaring and peeping and howling and growling, all of the critters from biggest to small start soaring and creeping and leaping and prowling. Then little old Sue laughs at them all. Yeah. I see a smile on her face.
Happy.
I think she's happy now. And all of the animals find out that day they actually like what they do. The zookeeper calls the reporters to say, "Hooray! No more strike at the zoo." See, the animals are all playing and doing what they do. Because they like it. Guys, look at his phone. It looks like a pig. That's so fun. That is so fun. I wish I had a pig phone. But, oh no. What now? The bear at the circus won't pedal his bike. He's not pedaling his bike. Uh-oh. He says he is on strike. The circus animals have stopped doing what they're supposed to do. I wonder what's gonna happen. The end. Alright, I hope that you guys like that book as much as I did. Thumbs up, we liked it? Or did you not like it? Or
not.
Was it just
Okay.
okay? All right. Well, in this book, we read about a bunch of zoo animals. We had zoo animals. Whoops, wrong button. That's okay. I go back and go to zoo. We had zoo animals like the elephant. Like the lion. Or the giraffe. In our story, right? Let's do a little bit of writing. Okay? So you can get out some paper, or I have a dry erase board, whatever you want to write on. And you can choose what you want to write with. Do you want a marker, like I have?
Marker.
Or do you want a crayon?
Crayon.
Or maybe
Pencil.
a pencil. Whatever you want. Go ahead and go get it, okay? All right. So our story was about zoo animals, so let's write about our favorite zoo animal, okay? I think I'm going to start our sentence with I like I'm going to put the then I'm going to draw a line and we're going to fill it in. And this is going to be Mrs. Antrim's sentence, okay? Mrs. Antrim's sentence. I like the... Now, remember we had zoo animals, okay? Let's see. I like the... And I'm just going to use the cover here. I really like the elephant. So I'm going to go find, in the zoo animals... Elephant. And we're going to write elephant. This is my sentence, okay? I like the zoo animal elephant. I like the elephant. All right. Now it is your turn. Okay? You can have somebody help you. Mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa, whoever. Have them help you write the first 3 words, or you can write them if you want to. I like the... And then think about all the animals that were in our story and what you know about the zoo. What animals you've seen at the zoo. And let's think about which one do you like. And then you can put it here, okay? And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.